2011 Camaro V6. What we got done on it for you guys today. It's still got the stock converters there and there. Then it's got a factory H-pipe. Then we put FLOWMASTER FX by FLOWMASTER. Flow FX by FLOWMASTER. If you want them, the link is in the description. Then it's got, we did also a muffler delete on this side and this side. And then completed it with 4-inch tips. Right there and right there. That's what it looks like now. There's the FLOWMASTER FX series that we took off, that we put on instead of the mufflers. There's the rear two mufflers and the mid mufflers or resonators that we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Tell us what you guys think in the comments of the sound.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.